This video tutorial I will explain what is firewall. Imagine your house is your computer network. You want to control who comes in and who goes out, correct? Like that, firewall acts as a security guard for your network. And we will see how firewall works. First point is gateway. The firewall sits at the entrance of your computer network, kind of like your front door. The second point is traffic control. Firewall checks all the incoming data and all the outgoing data, like mail or visitors at your door. Third point is good versus bad. The firewall has rules set by you, like who has the key or who can bring the cookies. Firewall lets safe traffic through, like your mail carrier or friends. Fourth point is block the bird. If something suspicious tries to enter, like a stranger trying to pick the lock, the firewall blocks it, keeping your network safe from hackers and malwares. Now we will see what and all firewall can block. The first one is unwanted programs trying to sneak in and mess with your computer. The second one is hackers trying to steal your information, like passwords or pictures. Third one is bad websites that might try to infect your computer with viruses. We can think of firewall this way. Your house has valuable things inside. In this, house is equivalent to network and valuable things is equivalent to data in computer world. The firewall is the security guard who makes sure only authorized people and information comes in and goes out, keeping your home or network safe and secure. Most computers and even Wi-Fi routers actually have a built-in firewall. Firewall is like a silent bodyguard working in the background to protect you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.